I'm here today with Ryan Hammers of Impact Enclosures with 20 years of contracting experience right here in Jacksonville to go over the 5 green flags of how to identify a good aluminum pergola contractor. And be sure to have your pens ready because at the end, Ryan's gonna give you the 3 key questions to ask a contractor to suss out a shady deal. Green flag number 1, a good response time. How soon should a customer expect to hear back from a contractor when they're getting quotes on an aluminum pergola?
Within 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
I mean, that's what we shoot for every single time if we're not just picking up the phone already or if they can go ahead and just schedule it right online.
What is it an indication of if somebody's taking 3 and 4 days to get back to you regularly?
Either they don't have their stuff together, they don't have a good team that backs them up, maybe they don't care, maybe they're too busy. So if they're too busy for you in the very beginning, how long is it gonna take them on the end?
Why do people have this preconceived notion that contractors are a little bit flaky?
Some contractors were great installers and then they decided, I'm gonna start a company, but they know how to install, but they don't know how to run a company.
How does a good contractor balance high volume but still give great customer service?
At the end of the day, I think it's just having a good team.
Green flag number 2, realistic pricing and timelines. So if a contractor comes to me and says, we can throw this up in a couple days, don't worry about where it comes from, should I have concerns?
I would imagine so. So if you're in Florida, you're in Jacksonville, these big enclosures, they're gonna get permitted. They're rated up to, they're rated up to Miami-Dade standards. So it's going to require big spot footings, permits, engineering, the whole 9 yards. Something that's just gonna get thrown up tomorrow will also get taken down tomorrow pretty quick in that storm.
So if I get a quote and they say they have this pergola in stock ready to go, I can assume this pergola is coming from where?
I don't know, some sort of kit somewhere, and I'm guessing it's not gonna be permitted.
Okay, so to any customers out there who are looking in the luxury aluminum pergola space, what type of pricing should they expect?
35 grand and then moving upwards.
So if I get a quote that's a short lead time and a low price, say sub 10,000, I can expect?
It's probably coming from China, and you're gonna end up with a lot of problems.
All right, green flag number 3, licensed contracting. Walk me through what type of licensing is required to put up structures like this in Florida.
Yeah, you either have to have an aluminum specialty license or a building contractor's license to be able to do something like this.
And if someone puts it up unlicensed, what implications does that put on the homeowner?
The liability of it flying away and hitting somebody's house, and then who's responsible for that?
So I hire the wrong contractor, what does that mean for my home's value?
In the first storm that hits, that thing's gone.
Green flag number 5, transparency and knowledge on the pergola system. Does a contractor just kind of grab whatever he or she has in the warehouse that week, or do they specialize in a particular product?
The best ones specialize. They need to know exactly what they're going for, all the tools, all the same stuff, they're using it every single time. It shouldn't be just a piece together hodgepodge of pergola parts.
And what was the manufacturer of this pergola?
Azenco.
Okay, and do they offer training or how do they educate you?
Yes, installer training, design training, everything that you need in order to become a dealer, they offer it. We went down to Miami, we trained with them, with the installers. We had our ops team down there, our design team down there, so everybody knows what's going on when it comes to that. God forbid anything were to go sideways or anything like that, you have somebody to call anytime, FaceTime them, reach out to them, and they can usually walk you through whatever issue that you have.
And a contractor who comes to my house, can I expect visual layouts, brochures, what?
Yes, absolutely, all the above. You can expect samples, brochures, 3D drawings. You should know exactly what it looks like before it goes on your house.
All right, and walk me through warranties. Do aluminum pergolas carry warranties?
Yes, the Azenco ones do. They have warranties on the motors, the aluminum, the sensors, everything.
Green flag number 5, setting proper expectations. We're in Jacksonville, it's hot and it's rainy. How do you set customer expectations as far as water management?
Absolutely. The pergolas are insulated. That's number 1. You have 2 pieces of aluminum, they're put together, and then you also have a space for air. So it's also gonna be cooler underneath that pergola. That's number 1. Number 2, it's watertight. When the louvers close, it's watertight to the gutter. So you don't have those gaps like you see on the other pergolas.
And then water is managed through a gutter, or how does that work?
Yeah, you've got a gutter system all the way around, and then the downspouts are actually the posts. So the water goes down the post and then out these little scuppers.
All right, and a big bonus green flag after installation support. So after a contractor packs up his or her tools, can I expect to hear from them again?
You can expect to hear from us. I don't know about the others out there, but absolutely from us.
And talk to me about ongoing support if I have any issues or questions whatsoever.
Yeah, we have a full service department dedicated to helping that kind of stuff out. Also, at the end of the job, we also have a quality control, quality assurance inspector comes back out there, he grades, he checks over everything, we call it in for inspections. If there's any issues, we can fix it right then.
I want to take a quick second to talk about options. This is a top of the line model as you indicated.
Yeah.
What types of options do you offer in aluminum pergola?
Yeah, we have more affordable. So you could do the R Breeze option, which is fixed. You could do the R Blade, which you see now. You could do the R Shade, which is just an actual fixed insulated roof. And then if you're looking for something maybe just more manual or something like that, we can do the K-Bana.
All right, Ryan, so I promised the viewers that you were gonna give them 3 direct questions to quickly suss out a bad contractor. Question number 1.
So you've done a lot of these pergolas before, great. Is there anyone that I can go to in person and talk to that client about it? Do you have all your license, your liability, your work comp and everything that you can give me?
Okay, and is it easy for a customer to log on to a state website and verify these
Absolutely.
things?
You can go on to DBPR, Department of Professional Regulations. You should be able to type in their license number and see if it pops up.
All right, do you have a third question customers can ask?
Who are your installers? Are they in-house installers or are they subcontractors? And would you be willing to put that in writing for me?
Do you have a fourth one?
There's some intuitively that you should just automatically know, which is how fast did they pick up the phone? Did they call you before they were to come? Did they give you a one-day, hey, I'm coming out there? Did they give you 30 minutes before I'm coming out there? Did they show up on time? Were they nice? Did they put booties on when they walked in your house? I mean, like, there's a lot of telltale little signs that are there, and I feel like you're kind of gonna get a little bit of a good idea of what you're gonna be dealing with in the future.
What's another question a customer could ask?
I would ask them how big their team is.
Okay.
And I know that sounds crazy. It's like, but if they lose their one install team or what have you, or if they're locked up on another job, am I ever gonna get done? I don't know, you know? So if they don't have a backup, you could be waiting a long time to get your stuff done.
Fair enough.
Yep.
Okay, well, I think armed with all this knowledge, the listeners definitely have the wherewithal to suss out a bad contractor now. Thank you guys very much for watching, and remember, life is better outside.